Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the AI application, and you have a lot of features which you can go through with this one. As you can see, you have the text to video option, you have the image to video, and as well they do have prompts which you can use as well. So first off, starting with the prompts down here, you can pretty much see a lot of prompts which you can use, and all I have to do is just pretty much, let's say for example, you want to try out this one out down here with the space and the guy in space with the car. You can tap on try prompt, and you will instantly get the prompt that the guy used or the application used to generate that video. So that's how you really pretty much use the prompt section down here. And as well, you do get the option here to select the aspect ratio, as you can see here. And also you do get the option to select the style of the video. And as you can see here, a lot of styles as you already saw, camera styles as well. You can wide angle, close up, and you have some different lighting as well options, as you can see here. All you have to do is just pretty much select what you want. And if you don't want anything, you can pretty much don't select anything. So that's really pretty much up to you. So that's really pretty much it for that section there. And in the studio option here, we pretty much see a lot of templates which you can use to create quick videos, I would say. As you can see here, a lot of transitions. As you can see, you have the muscle up transition, you have the hero up transition, you have the private captain transition. All you have to do is just tap on whichever one you want, and you pretty much just upload a clear image of yourself or a photo like that you can see there, and you pretty much get these results. So it's just as simple to use any one of these templates here. And let's say, for example, the painting option, you upload a painting and you pretty much get similar results like these. I do recommend to upload similar things or similar photos to these transition here so you can get the best results. So the feed section pretty much have a lot of different AI generated videos. You can as well tap on this option here to download and also copy the prompt that they have used to create this video here. So all I have to do is tap on the copy prompt option, and you can go back in the text to video option here, and you'll be able to use the same prompt that they have created that video and pretty much create something very similar. So do keep in mind you're going to need credits to pretty much use this application here, and you're going to need a subscription to be able to use any one of their features. So that's pretty much it for that there. And once anything has been generated, it will pretty much show in the profile section over here, and you can check out, pretty much delete and save the video even after you've created it and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for that there. So the image to video section here, all you have to do is pretty much upload a image and enter your prompt that you'd like to be done, or whatever is in that image would like to be done, and that's pretty much it. So very easy application to use, and at the top here, this is pretty much where you get your subscription. So you're going to need a subscription to be able to use any one of their features or templates or any one of their AI tools for this application here. So your weekly subscription is pretty much $10, I would say, and this is pretty much what you'll be getting. And as well, they do tell you how much credits you'll be getting once you purchase their subscription. It's a weekly plan, so I'm guessing you only get 100 credits for the weekly plan subscription. And that credits will be used to create the videos. And as well, you can see here how much credits is needed to pretty much generate videos or generate images. So not images, videos, you can see here. So, and as well, you can tap on the inspire me option if you don't have anything in mind and want to generate something for you. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. We'll see if we can help you out.